Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com, and I would like to take a look at the Euro US dollar with two different strategies to afford today, as the resilience of the Euro US dollar to move to the downside, at least today, seems to be a bit bullish. Being a bit bullish and we are trading binary options, then what we ought to do is to go and buy call options on the pair, but not just like that, not in any circumstances, but we should wait for some positioning. From my point of view, what the market is forming here after this move to the downside is a contracting triangle, and it went like this. I will build it on the left side here, so it goes like this from this moment of time. So from that moment of time it goes A, B, making a new low, then we have a C wave all the way to the upside, so A, B like this, then we have a C wave, which maybe is not even completed, by the way, it remains to be seen. So a C wave like this, then a D wave in here, and then we need an E wave. Sometimes this E wave is so strong and powerful that goes and takes the highs in the previous wave, A. So this would be something like this. How this triangle should be labeled? Well, A, B, C, D, E, of course, but it should be a triangle that travels within the B to D trend line and the A and C trend line. A and E trend line, something like this. But it is mandatory for price to go beyond these highs, like this. Well, in reality, this is our contracting triangle here. We have the A and C trend line normally, that should be this one from here to here. I'm insisting that it is this one from here to here because we are running out of time. The ECB, or the European Central Bank, is due to come 2 days from now, and this triangle needs to break until that moment of time. So this would be the A and C, and this would be normally the B to D trend line. The B, but not here like the B to D trend line here. I would say we still need to go and make a lower leg, something like this, the B to D trend line. So this to be A, B, C, D, and then for market to make a new leg higher. So this would be the area of interest for us. Now I would like to buy call options on the pair, but not here, not now, but I would like to wait for a retracement in the pair, and the retracement needs to come below 115.60 area here, as this was ABC, the previous leg. Now ABC, the previous leg, the next leg to come here to the downside. So in between 15, let's say 40 and 15.55 would be a nice place to go and buy call options. Let's write here. Like this. So I would like to buy call options here, and then would like to buy put options here. However, we have a big important fundamental event to come out of Europe with the ECB due on Thursday, and therefore we need to plan it very carefully. Therefore, I would like to do something like this, looking to buy call options by the time 1.1550 area comes, okay, with 1 hour expiration date, not 1 hour, sorry, end of day expiration date, if it comes today, being basically Tuesday or Wednesday. If not, if we start Thursday and we do not have a retracement 30 pips lower into 1550, then we are not interested into trading call options, but we are buying only put options. So if time passes and we are not filled, then buying put options with end of week and also month expiration date. For whatever the reason, if market is traveling, still forming this consolidation area here, this triangle, and still market is jumping to the upside into this area here, this would be a nice place to buy put options as well. Thank you very much for being here. This is FairBinaryOptions.com, a bit of a strategy on the Euro US dollar to move on. Thank you and bye bye.